Are you looking to make Chrome safer for your kids, but not sure where to start? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to set up robust parental controls in Google Chrome. By the end, you'll feel confident knowing you've added layers of safety that can help protect your child from inappropriate content and risky websites, making browsing less stressful for you and safer for your family. Let's dive right in, starting with Chrome's built-in settings. The first thing you'll want to do is enable Safe Search on Google. Think of Safe Search as the first line of defense, filtering out explicit content directly from your child's search results. To set this up, head over to google.com and look for the Settings link, typically found at the bottom right of the homepage. Click Search Settings, and then scroll down until you see the Safe Search filters. It's a simple checkbox, but it makes a big difference. Turning it on means adult images and videos are far less likely to pop up during regular searches. If you've ever worried about a harmless homework search turning into something you don't want your child seeing, Safe Search helps put those fears to rest. Keep in mind, this filter isn't perfect, but it does dramatically reduce the chances of encountering explicit results. And don't worry if you don't see changes straight away. Sometimes it takes a fresh search or page reload to really notice the difference. Next up, let's talk about safe browsing, another built-in Chrome feature that acts like a security guard, blocking access to known dangerous websites, downloads, and even malicious extensions. For this step, open Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner to access Settings. From there, navigate to Privacy and Security. Here, you'll see an option for Safe Browsing. You'll want to select Enhanced Protection, which gives you the highest level of monitoring against harmful content. This means Chrome will proactively warn you, or your child, if a website or download looks suspicious or risky. Enhanced protection goes beyond the basics by keeping up with real-time threats and reacting instantly, so even new or lesser-known dangers are less likely to slip through. It's a smart idea for any family, especially if kids are browsing independently. While Chrome's own settings go a long way, sometimes you need a bit more customization. That's where third-party extensions come in. The Chrome Web Store offers several parental control extensions, and one example is Bloxy. Just search for it in the Web Store and click Add to Chrome. These tools act like a supercharged gatekeeper, letting you block specific websites, say social media or gaming sites during homework hours, or set up age-appropriate restrictions so your child only accesses safe content. Most extensions walk you through a setup wizard when you first install them. You'll usually need to set up an administrator password to lock in the controls, which helps ensure your child can't simply disable the protections. If you're new to extensions, don't worry. The setup steps are typically straightforward and user-friendly, almost like following a recipe. Just take your time to review each option. You can often create custom lists of websites to block or select helpful presets designed just for kids. And remember, no tool is perfect. Think of parental controls as layers, working together. Maybe you've noticed that kids are surprisingly good at finding workarounds, so a combination of safe search, safe browsing, and a reliable extension can help cover those loopholes. All right, that wraps up our overview of adding parental controls in Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more practical tech tutorials. Got questions or suggestions for other tools that work well for your family? Drop a comment below. I love hearing what's working for you and helping out if you're stuck. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.